this lesson, I want to answer a question. Why do you need to take this course? Well, first and foremost, the course is free, so it doesn't cost you anything. And the next reason is that you need to learn skill set. We live in a world that's constantly changing. And right now, web design, e-commerce, technology, generally speaking, is in very, very high demand. A lot of people have been impacted by COVID-19, which is just wreaking havoc all over the world. And as a result of it, tens of millions of Americans and people from all over the world have lost their jobs. So you need to learn a skill set that you can go anywhere and still thrive. I see so many people that they're dependent on just one thing, and when that thing fails, it's like, man, you're done. So by learning how to create websites, you are putting yourself in a position that you can travel to anywhere in this world. If you know how to build websites and website applications, companies are always looking for web designers. They're always looking for someone to build something because they realize that since people can no longer come to their physical stores, they need to be able to have an online presence. And you're going to learn how to be able to build different types of websites. And as you can see here, the software that we're using allows you to build incredible websites. So you can use the skill set that you're going to learn from this to apply for a job or start your own business. It gives me so much joy when I get emails from different people that I've never met and may never get to meet in person. They say things like, I took your course for how to build websites, and today I have my own business. I'm creating websites for clients, or my school had me work on a project and your course helped me to be able to complete that project. Or, just I have an organization that I wanted to get a website out. I didn't know how to get it done. I found your courses and I'm able to, get it completed. So these are all different skill sets that you need to learn, and I'm going to help you to make sure that you understand the direction that you want to go. And I want to keep things very, very simple, So for those that really want to learn how to build websites, whether you want to make money doing it, passive income. When I started, I used to charge, a few dollars. Matter of fact, my first website, I was working at a treatment center for teens, and I got fired, and I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? And I just had a new baby, and she was like, 3 weeks old, and I'm like, wow, I got fired from this dead-end job, and I got to do something, man. And I had 2 degrees, college degrees, music and psychology. So I started doing, jump into the web business, because I realized that, that's the way to go. And I started web design back in high school, but I just never continued on until college. But the point that I'm making is this: learning how to build website is an essential skills today. Trust me, it is an essential skills. I've been in the industry for 17 years, and it's something that's needed. It is going to save you time, and you can make a lot of money doing it.